I live.
Alright, so because of the storm, the water being a little more murky, I'm throwing this color, like a dark black with some red and a red top. Just because when the water's dark, you want to throw darker baits. Haven't got any hits yet though, so I might be switching over soon. See what happens. Basically, spot number one stuffed. Got a couple hits. I'm guessing the storm makes it a little more difficult to fish. Water's a lot more murky. It's kind of gross water right now, but you never know. Probably catch a couple fish by the end of the day. Did get 2 hits on the darker bait, which is usually what I use at night, but I thought with the murkier water might be the hot ticket today. It's looking like it might be a hot one. Get lucky, get one of these docks. The crazy thing is, like, most of the hits I've gotten have like absolutely smacked it. They're just not, like, they must be small or something because they ain't taking it. Alright, here we go. Okay, dudes, time to throw the trolling bait out. Hopefully we can get a hit on it. Doubt it. Yeah, oh, there's one. I hope.
Yeah, looked like it.
Yeah, a little dude. Oh no. Yeah, I think I lost it though. I don't know. Maybe? If it's anything, it's small. Yeah, it's small. There we go. Yeah, I was just kind of heading to another spot, so.
Yeah. Why not troll, right?
Yeah, exactly. There's usually stuff by there. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, baby. I saw the birds jumping over here, so I figured I'd give it a little shot, see how it goes. And we got ourselves a nice little spotty right here. Boom! Spotted bay bass. Whew. Looks like the switch was a good idea. Oh, freaking A, dude. I'm gonna let you, okay. Fish. Alright, there we go. Another spotty, it looks like. Dang, he choked it. Boom. I just hooked a giant. Oh, he's barely hooked. Jesus. There's no lines out.
Yeah.
Just a bass. Yeah, this is a really big one. There we go. All right, here we go. switch pilings a bit. We'll see how this goes. Probably gonna be okay, I would think. Hopefully get a fish. If not, I think I'll probably call it quits because it's been rough. There we go. All right, little dude, come here, little guy. Do. And there we go. Yeah, tiny.
Not what you were looking for, right?
Nah. Hey, it passes the time though. A little bigger. Do. Another little dude. Oh my god.
That's for you to figure out. I was gonna tell you something else that you could probably do with tooling before.
That's gotta be the smallest one I've ever caught. Freaking, hey, come on, dude, let go. Whoa, he's got a cool little purple on him. I'm trying to. You open your mouth. There you go. Number 8. Jesus. Back-to-back casts. There's number 9. Back to back. All right, so overall it started out pretty slow and it kind of turned out to be really great. Like most of our spots that I usually do really well at didn't produce, and then I hit a new spot on that little island and caught 3 there, 1 trolling, which usually never works, and then I caught 4 under one of the other bridges. So turned out I think I had 10 total, if I'm counting right. I'm probably not, but I was around 10, and that's pretty dang good. So I definitely say going after a storm isn't that bad. You just had to switch to darker bait and it ended up working out really well. Nothing huge, but it was amazing. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.